Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this workshop, we are going to understand how to apply damping in analysis and to observe the effect of damping on a series of single degree of freedom oscillators. So here we are having five mass spring system, each having a mass of 1 kg. The value of each spring stiffness we have chosen and calculated natural frequency, that is 1 hertz, 1.5 hertz, 2 hertz, 3 hertz and 4 hertz. So we have opened this mechanical model and we are going to confirm here units, so that in metric. Okay, and here you can see these solids are there: material, structural steel, connection, longitudinal. So here it has been defined frictionless support. So these faces has been defined as a frictionless support. Okay. So under this model analysis setting, we are keeping maximum modes to 5 and solver control, in under solver control diameter we are keeping no. And now we are going to solve. So you can see 5 natural frequency, 1, 1.5, 2, 3 and 4. So right click, select all, create mode save results. Here evaluate all results. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this longitudinal connection already we have defined the stiffness of this much. If we use the formula of natural frequency, that is 1 upon 2 pi under root k upon m, so we will get 1 as a natural frequency. So same, like different stiffness has been uh, put for this one, and if we use that hand calculation, same natural frequency we are going to get 1, 1.5, 2, 3 and 4. Okay.